Former President Jacob Zuma and Secretary General of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Floyd Shivambu were seen sitting side by side during the SONA debate, despite recent tensions involving Duduzile Zuma Sambudla, the daughter of the former president. The controversy began when Duduzile took to social media, launching a series of scathing tweets directed at Shivambu. In her post, she defiantly declared she was not scared of him, using profane language and labeling him the worst thing to happen to the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. She even went as far as calling Shivambu uMafikizolo. The situation escalated when Duduzile received a letter criticizing Shivambu's leadership, finding him incompetent and suggesting he should be removed from the office. Her remarks sparked widespread backlash within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, which described her conduct as unacceptable, divisive, denigrating, and offensive. In response, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party leader Jacob Zuma issued a stern directive instructing his daughter to issue a public and unconditional apology or face expulsion from the party. The statement said, Commander Duduzile Zuma must issue an unconditional public apology to the Secretary General, the President, the members, supporters of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and all the people of South Africa. The party emphasized her remarks violated its disciplinary code of conduct and said these posts are insulting towards Shivambu, constituting a direct violation of the party's disciplinary code. The MK party further mandated that Zuma Sambudla extend her apology to all party structures she serves in, including the Southern Caucus of the Pan-African Parliament. Failure to comply, the party would result in immediate termination of her membership and disciplinary proceedings. As the political drama unfolds, all eyes remain on Duduzile Zuma Sambudla as the deadline for her public apology looms. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.